let's do a brown smoky eye with a pop of colour. So I'm using the Naked Urban Decay Metal Mania palette. I'm using the shade Studio and applying that as a transition shade. Now, I love this eyeshadow palette as it blends seamlessly and the colours have a great payoff. I'm taking that same shade underneath, next into the shade Road Crew and applying that to the outer corner. And don't forget to add that same shade underneath. Now once they're all blended seamlessly, let's add the pop of colour. Now ever since I got this palette, I have been so excited to use this purple shade here called Power Chords. It's the perfect metallic shade, so let's add it to the eyelid. Now I love how this shade has little sparkly reflex in it too. Now on to liner and lashes. So I'm going across the eyelid and winging it out. And I've added some lashes for some extra volume. Onto the finishing touches, adding some liner in the waterline. For lips, we're using a nude lip liner. Look at how cute the lipstick I'm using is. It's got this little heart applicator and it is such a beautiful shade. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching.